Alright guys, so again, this is going to be a full throttle look. It's going to be the hair, it's going to be the makeup, it's going to be the lashes, the lips, everything. And I want to say this before I get started, because I recognize that I've been filming a lot, but I have not told you guys like about my brushes. That's because I can't tell about the brushes, because the brushes that I have, hold on, there's an elf brush in here somewhere. Okay. Oh, there's a Judas Basic brushes. Okay. This is all pour me now. Great. So the brushes that I have, so our new brush set, the Nehemiah collection. The Nehemiah collection comes from in Nehemiah when the prophet was doing a great thing and he could not come down. Yeah, and that would have on the whole 2023, pour me and everything I will follow suit. So because of that, I wanted to give the collection that kind of meaning. If you know me, I love things like with acronyms, things that have like a deeper meaning. I never stay on the surface. That's just how I am. So yeah, so I was like, oh God, what am I going to name this collection? I wanted to have something with Jesus, but not too much boom, 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 Jesus, you know. So the Nehemiah collection with the original spelling was just mwah, perfect. And every time I look at it, I just feel pleased, because you don't see brush sets with that kind of labeling. It's just like 7 piece, 4 piece, you know, and it doesn't have that kind of meaning to it. So far, and I'm going to be honest with you, so far we have not come up with the amount that we need to clear the brushes, but we are pushing through, and we do thank those of you who have already pre-ordered. We will be communicating to you guys via the email, via your email address that you provided when you ordered. We are actually working, I need to do that today, a mailing list where I can interact with you guys more like quicker. You know, we can see them on DM on Instagram. Yeah, that more on the mailing list we can do. So now for the past couple of weeks, all I've been using are the brushes that I own from this collection. Now this one is from another collection. This is from the, I think it's the Dipped in Elegance. Yeah, I think the Dipped in Elegance, and this as well. This is Pour Me. So our logo is there, Pour Me, and then PR356, and it is Pour Me Proverbs 3:5-6. I don't know what it says. I have to look it up. Yeah, or Proverbs 35 verse 6. No, it's Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. So yeah, so these are what these brush sets were like as well. These brushes that we came out with years ago, and these are a little bit flat. It's just, I love the design of these, but these are what I am in love with right now. I love how sleek it is. So I'm really thinking to have the rest of our brushes be this design, like for the handle. This will be the design for the handle. Now the set that I have is an old set, and I cannot find the rest of my brushes, and I do not know where else to look, and I really feel like I feel like it's an attack on me personally, because this is what I'm using to further me. And can you imagine me coming on here talking about brushes that I don't even own? It just make me look like, it make it look like I shit me a chat, and that's not the case. So I have been very uncomfortable even just sharing with you guys, but I just reusing the brushes now and trying to figure out looks. It has reminded me just how much I love makeup, and it just brought me back to the place of when we did just start YouTube, when we never have enough brushes. We never have no money for say I have brush line, lash line, fitness line, my love. I just do it like everybody else. I watch Julia Graph on YouTube. Then turn the coasters since you have the 88 palette, we have one for color. Coming out a little bit something then. Yeah, I will buy them up, my love, and them, you know, keep time. So I'll BH Cosmetics. I don't know if y'all young know what BH Cosmetics and coastal sense. None of them know about them something there. I don't know. But and even the point is, the brushes I've been using are the only ones that I have. I think in this tutorial I used this elf one. And that's because it was in there, and whichever brush mistake me I gotta use, I don't give it a thought. So that's why I like to pre-plan. So this epic fail. This is from elf, by the way. Epic fail. And this is the brush I always use to do my brushes from Juvia's Place. I have a brush like this, but I cannot find my brush like that. I cannot find my other spoolie brush, and then there's another brush that I'm missing as well. So it's just a little bit disheartening, but knowing me, I can't allow that to get me down, because it will just mess everything up. The whole point is this: I'm using the brushes from the Nehemiah collection, and this brush has shocked the shit out of me, honey. I use it to go on the hair, to do my highlights and my blush. The one brush, bro. Powder, highlights and blush. Oh my god. And that's because I'm using what I have. Now, if I had more brushes, I would not have figured out that this brush could be used for that one thing. If I had more brushes, I would have gone ahead and I would have substituted and not just use this brush only. But because I'm not no more, I'm using one brush, we find different uses. That's the premise of all things working together for your good. It doesn't matter how shitty it gets, it doesn't matter how bad it looks. All things have to and must work together for your good. When you know who you know, when you know who you know. What do people say? Man has carried through the world, don't it? So if you know Jesus, say extra man as well. I'm gonna ask. Anyway, I don't know even this brush is a different shape than the brush that I have. Like these are the old brushes, bro. And even this brush, I wanted this brush to have this tapered look. No, the brush that they made is not tapered. It is rounded. I'm like, I've been buying a lot of rounded brushes, so maybe that's a good thing. So even this, not the design I submitted, but I'm gonna make it work. And then do another brush set with that design. That's just how I think. Yes, more work, but that's just how I think. This brush is the brush I've been using for my foundation. It has shocked me so much because this brush was supposed to originally be for the foundation. This was just for contouring, for cream contouring, and the brush that is similar to this with a flat top was supposed to be the powder. No, it's switch up. Now this is the foundation brush and this is the powder brush along with this. I'm not even expect this to be, and because it's so compact and because I have a hyperpigmentation, I've used a brush similar to this from our Pour Me in Paradise collection. Guys, I'm not just no man make brushes, you know. I'm not just no little Jamaican girl that do it. We just did the press. Coming back. Still depressed. Coming right back. Moving right along. Come on now. This is just, it's it, baby. It is, and it gets in the little. Let me see how I'm bending up the brush and come out of my baby ears and so. Yo, bad. Had no blood cleanse. I don't ask Christ. I ask him and him say it bad for true. Through. Anyway, so this is it for this long ass intro. Pour Me by Lyric. Follow us on Instagram. Pour Me Fitness. Follow us on Instagram. LyricRochester International. I have my classes. I'm going to do a separate video for my classes because this is going to go too long. And I have to edit this and get it ready for you guys. Plus, I have a vlog that I'm filming as well. So yeah.
I saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more, show me something. Don't just talk about it, if you're scared of letting go. When you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Come alive and face the feeling that you're free, let it be. Nothing's holding you. We've arrived. Why are you waiting? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more, show me something. Don't just talk about it, if you're scared of letting go. When you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. 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 let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Might need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what's sage at. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they twist and they worse till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me in.
Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time on my own. All these people trying to get a conversation. You can conversate to that tone. I got up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in. I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone, no recess. But I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me in.
It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood.
Like this.
It's a whole mood, yeah.
Catch a ride, shawty really got a vibe. Take me high, mile up in the sky. And I tried to run, but we two turn up. Yeah, she said, why take it slow? I don't ride. She so real, no jack or high. She my type, she that one. I just might let it go, no breaks, cause I'm all gassed up. Yeah, thinking I'll let you know, no, hey.
Why you gotta move like that so innocent? Yeah. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Baby, tonight I think I'm a lemon lip. Let it breathe, it's a whole mood. Yeah. Why you gotta move like that so innocent? Was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Baby, tonight I think I'm a lemon lip. Let it breathe, it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah.
It's like shawty lit a fire, I was the supplier. Flickering until we took a lighter. Different world we live in, and she let me stay the night. We gon' social distance in the crib and let her ride.
Ooh yeah,
jamming to the field, singing ooh yeah. It's when it's something real. Little bit of liquor, little bit of love. We don't got much time, let's get it. Little bit of feeling, little bit of numb, ain't no reason why we ain't gon' send it.
Why you gotta move like that so innocent?
Why you gotta move?
Yeah, I was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been.
I should've been.
Baby, tonight I think I'm a living it. Let it breathe, it's a whole mood.
It's a whole mood.
Why you gotta move like that so innocent? Was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been.
Hey.
Baby, tonight I think I'm a living it. Let it wanna sit in Soho. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been in Soho. Baby, tonight I think I'ma let it live. Let it be in Soho. Yeah, Soho. Why you in the mood like that? So wanna sit in Soho. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. I should've. Baby, tonight I think I'ma let it live. Let it be in Soho. In Soho, in Soho, in Soho, yeah.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. I've been this rough since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb. Yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing. Well, you see it soon. Say that they know what to do. Say I should listen to you. Yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing. Trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I want more. Lead the past up in the past. The way I'm moving need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up to no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'ma dead it now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Ay. How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lampore. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made a day what I bought it for. Now the speaker so fluent. I'm at the block like I'm Ewing. Yeah, they wanna keep me so stagnant. I make a hit, keep it moving. Up in the morning, I'm brewing. They gon' know where I knew it. They tryna keep me from making it. I swear they looking so Judas. Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows. Ay, making money off the flows. Yeah, I just had to go show y'all. Gotta keep them on their toes. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Hey, it's 2018. Yeah, come on, tell them that. Man, everything in 2017, I don't wanna hear about it no more. Okay, yeah, cause big things are brewing. I mean, big things popping in the city, you know. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Don't tell them that.
We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. I come on in with the drum hammers. Watch little kids all around stammer. I'm saying, kid, better watch your manners. Grown men are talking, put your hands up. If you stay up, On top of your stuff like this, on a business, God can I get a witness? No pretension, just a man on a mission to sit on a throne, success is my riches. Let the skies just rain and gold, let the heat find those it's cold. Let the newcomer take me on and watch this stuff explode. I'm talking, let the skies accept my rise, let the world see through my own eyes, and watch while I light this stuff on fire. Watch us as we ride. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. Come on in when I hear the beat. They screaming out like they all need this. I'm talking a return similar to Jesus. I turn this water into money, y'all. Can you see this? All on top, this don't stop. Money in abundance, it's on lock. Wine in the cellar, got cash in the dresser. Grown man never stressed cause of what we got. Like let the grounds just grow up green. Let the songs find those insane. Let the front come and take the king and kill them on these things. I'm talking, let the skies accept my rise. Let the world see through my own eyes, and watch while I light this stuff on fire. Watch us as we ride. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. That's right. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. The best in the game. J-Rob MD, Trey Houston.
Difference to me, cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled. Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with the pen and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man.
I got the mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is around. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers that's rapping this rack shit. I murder a cat on the track and they hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, hold up another platinum plaque, wearing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on the
This is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, watch it blow. Are you ready for more?
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies, I got impact on my brain. You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma lead with the whole contest. Seeing this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outwork all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Boom! Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blowing the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't tell me what I can't do. Better yet, just go ahead, I hit every time I aim to. I'm always on new levels, it's my time, I ain't through. It's hard work and late nights to be that one. Ooh. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Hey, I'm my only competition. Seeing my reflection, looking through my opposition. Crucify my weakness, force myself into submission. Put my back against the wall and we gon' see who gets the flinching. And I don't believe in limits. What else I gotta tell you? It's uncommon repetition. And I know it ain't fair. Saw the end before beginning. Had this game already finished. For the clock hit single digits, yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold.
I just pull up in that drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I just pull up shining, all these diamonds on me glisten. I got perfect timing, if you whining, I won't listen. Running like a boss, so I don't need your permission. Gucci on my lenses, now I got the perfect vision. Golden sacks I'm spending, now my man, I got him tripping. Buy me Fendi, buy me Dior, buy me everything I'm wishing. He won't listen and I'm dipping, yeah, you know, no, I got options. That's a no-no if you plotting, we on go-go, so we popping. You cannot doubt it, just read all about it. Yeah, you so not. Foreign car, yeah, they made it in Italy. Pulling up so nobody missing me. Don't care what you haters thinking. Cash on deck, your paper sinking. I got all this flavor dripping, diamond shining, make them glisten. I got the sauce, feel like a boss. I'm at a loss, a loss for words. Fly like the birds, or riding I swerve, taking the curve. So hot like the stovetop. Ice all on me, froze watch. Ballin' like I globetrot. I'm on go like no stops. Cash, I get a whole lot. Yeah, that's a lot in my drop top. You know I been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I'm so hot, you so not in my drop top. Ay, look at the cash in my drop top. Ay, she a tata. Look at me, oh, you so not. Look at me, ow. Look at me, ow. Yeah, you so not. She a tata. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We bad though, that cash flow. We come up, we pass go. We get cash, then spend cash. Don't like that, kiss my ass. We been stunned, you been front. You want this, you get none. You want this, then earn it. Ain't f***ing unless I get some. I'm bad though, no bad hoe. Just a bad bitch with a bad flow. And a green on green state of mind. And I'm done dealing with these. So y'all, all of y'all. If y'all don't like me, eat me. I've been running game and I do it all the same until y'all all stop speaking. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We too bad, y'all been mad. I buy my homemade handbag. I bought up my man has, and you broke hoes can't stand that. I'm burning green, it's spinning green. I'm buying all the nicer things. I want a car, I buy a car. I'll burn the car, you think. It's my money, no man for me. I'll pay for the shit I've been wanting. No rock on me, no stop on me. If I feel cold, I'll burn money. I own this and got this. Look, this dress has pockets. So deep I can keep my rose closed. So I know what you all want. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop. Bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world.
Smoke up, gas in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't clutch the button. Now he's in the block with the yacht for events. Skin kept close to the button on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump out. Right side, it came. Kicks on and I'm pitched up on my own. Right side, it came back. This lifestyle had me wrong. Woke up and then I kicked up. I turned ghost on them, I'm gone. Kicks on and I'm gone. Head missed and I dipped and shit. Clock that, it got long. Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, watch the in. Never in the block with the up for events. Skin kept close, cause we putting on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump in. Right side, king. Right side, it king. Right side, it king.
I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb, just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look what I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for us. We showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think of great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us.
Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like loose leaf. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me. Or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mine is disturbing. Now give me a heartbeat, bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it, your self-esteem easy to turn to me. That's what I wanna be, dreamers in front of me. Called up the game and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. Have fun with my lyrics, call it wordplay. Thoughts stuck in the past, wish they were present like my birthday. Talk about my family, dog, you better watch what you say. What is it that you're not comprehending? Are you insane? Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. I rhyme with a purpose, your lyrics are hollow. Cause I'll be a leader, all you do is follow. I'm so far ahead of you, it is tomorrow. Here's something for ya, I'm the rhyme destroyer. Don't put out your hand cause I got nothing for ya. MCs and me spitting and get paranoia. I'm quick with the punches, call me Lil Hoya. Quit being petty, I know it annoy you. Don't stop being mad cause I got it before ya. I work now, I'm boss with it like an employer. Don't test me, I'm killing these bars like a lawyer. I've been preparing, you rapping so don't scare me. Don't do it for fame, no, my kindness or rarity. Music is therapy, burdens I'm carrying. Emotion is raw, got no problem sharing. You're rapping for likes and you quit and get clarity. Your record's embarrassing, you don't compare to me. Better be aware that you better be wearing me. Gift is a curse and I'm not even swearing. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. My name gon' be harder than a summer on the blacktop. Just give me a track and I'ma beat it like a bad cop. I ain't taking orders, man, so don't come drop through my spot. See that peak, well, I'ma reach it, like it or not. I admit in some of my songs I was flexing. That don't make me fake, it just means that I'm impressive. Look so unassuming, guess I'm not what you expected. Did you forget me? Let me jog your recollection. Mine's obsessive, flows aggressive, switch direction, keep you guessing. Who's up next in my ring, stepping names I'm checking off my checklist. Life is hectic, nights get restless, learning lessons, rhyme perfecting my objectives I'm collecting. Guess who checked in? You guessed it. If you didn't guess, it's me. I'm coming for the crown. I'm here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay? Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10 men, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got him shook.
The way that you leave me, keep me in your headspace. And creeping in the night, keeping me in the back lane. Hate it when you leave and you're taking my time. Leave me alone for the rest of the night. Some things they have the upper hand in my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Why you lie to me? my feet. Got a fix for everything. I got that good stuff, got that kush, got that fire, got that good love. Won't find another high that's clean. Nirvana on ecstasy and intensity. White knuckles on a technicolor moon ring. I hope you know there's no coming down. Stay faded, get low, best how you felt. I hope you know there's no coming down, coming down. Take a hit now, get your fix now. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. Feeling heavy under my pressure, my pressure. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. You're unsteady under my pressure, my pressure. Love pusher, love pusher. Attention is the currency. Bathe me in your luxury. I want the finer things. Grade A, blue dream, white powder sheets. Take a trip, hun, get some. I'm the square on your tongue. Feel so hard, you go numb. Oh, I hope you know there's no coming down, coming down. Take a hit now, get your fix now. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. Feeling heavy under my pressure, my pressure. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. You're unsteady under my pressure, my pressure. Love pusher, love pusher.